Now I'll show you how to use our big powder extrusion machine. The first, we will put these materials in this tank. You will see here, put the materials in the tank. Okay, and then move to here. If move to here, we can use this one, pattern. Okay, and then menu page. You will see menu, auto, IO, checking, company information. So we enter this menu, and then press. When we press, and then this plug was pressed down, and then automatic page, automatic auto start. Like this, it will be automatic. Okay, and then we use the sensor for check. You will see here. We use this distance for control this one. You will see we can use hairs for screw more or less. You will see here the sensor. We want this increase, this will decrease, and the sensor will come out more. You see. And then decrease. You see. You see. Okay, one more. You see, one more. You see. So this one control is filling volume. You use the distance control filling volume. Okay. So there is the sensor was checked, and then this cut. Okay. This one you can connection with your turntable. This box. Okay. When the box removed here, and then it will come down. You see, box removed here. You will see. So this is this function about this one. Okay. Next, I will show you how to clean.